Now we're on the 2018 Acura. We're gonna still do the other thing, but 2018 Acura, we're doing that automatic transmission fluid change. Go ahead, get the Acura. It's real nice. So check it out. Yes. You got your beautiful little skull right here for you Dia de la Muerte folk. And yeah, very sleek. Now this particular one, it doesn't have a dipstick, so I'm gonna have to, what's somebody calling? Sorry. I'm gonna have to have a dipstick and drop the fluid out, see how much comes out, and put the same amount back in. I'm gonna show you how to go ahead and change the ATF fluid in the 2018 Acura. Easy steps. First step, you're gonna need a hex key. 5/16 seem to fit really well. This is where you're gonna fill in the fluid right here up top by the air box. Take this hex out. Underneath the car, you gotta take the skid pan off. And right here, where the transmission's at, here's the other plug. This is where you're gonna let all the fluid out. And if you're looking at your driver's side axle, your check plug, here's your axle, here's the other plug. This is where you check the fluid level. So what you're going to want to do is, at about 110 degrees, is when you're going to drop the fluid. About 8 minutes. And you can turn the car off. Taking out the drain plug. Okay, so now we're gonna get this bottom drain plug. Not drain plug. Tighten it. Fuel plug out right there. Alright, so the OEM is not this kind, but this is what we have. This is what they gave us, so this is what we're gonna use. We got our funnel right there, and we're just gonna be super careful. Got a little bit. It's gonna take about 3.5 quarts. We're gonna pour some in, and then we're gonna check the level with the vehicle on. Now with vehicle on, we're gonna undo this drain plug. So say this is the check plug. Once it leaks out of here, your ATF is full. Oh shoot. Well, that's full. God almighty. Put it back quick. We're good.